Good day everyone, I'm Jason and welcome back to Jason's Trams Vlogs. Anyways guys, I'm currently here at Haymarket light rail stop, and in this video I'm going to be filming not only some trams here but also buses that comes here all around Haymarket. So this will be my second bus vlog after after the Eastwood one that I filmed a couple months back. Yeah. Anyways guys, if you haven't yet already, please subscribe to Jason's Trams Vlogs for more content. And yeah, without further ado, sit back, relax and enjoy. Central Station is actually quite near here. You can see Tangara approaching Central Station in the distance. We're awesome citizens like 16 and 15. Is this XO1? Indeed it is. The tram that got in an accident a few years back. Alrighty, there's quite a lot of people here at Haymarket, so I might just film buses here and trams here from an angle. Probably gonna move down to the end, but I'll see. Alright, there seems to be a tram stuck behind this one. Alrighty, this tram has been stuck behind the line for quite some time now. X54 and X17. Alrighty, X17 now departing Haymarket. X26. X26 and X51. The 438X. I'm gonna attempt to take a photo. Okie dokie. So, what's going to happen next is, that is pretty much good. Sorry that I'm just moving between trams and buses a lot because I'm trying to find a good thumbnail shot for the bus, because the plan is half the image be a tram and half the image be a bus. So yeah, that's probably the plan. Oh, and we got another one arriving already. A lot of trams have been clogged up here. X42 or X41? This tram is packed. I have finally got the bus shot that I wanted. Thank God.
Oh, how did you do that? Or did you already? Do you want to have a
X2 and X55. Anyways guys, this is going to be a trend that I bought, so I'm going to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed. favorite this video, like it, share, comment down below, all that good stuff. Anyways, I will see you in the next video. I'm Jason. Thanks for watching Jason's Transport Vlogs. And yeah, until the next time, it's goodbye for now.